New arrivals this week.
Yes.
How about the 1965 Pontiac LeMans Convertible, Mayfair Maize over white and black.
Yes.
Jim Taylor built 455. Jim Taylor is the engine guy on Pontiacs, kind of like Keith Black in the Hemi cars that Don Prudhomme was talking about. Pontiac High Performance feature car, PHS documentation, which shows what the car was born or built with. Tremec 5-speed manual, Eaton 12-bolt axle, and Willwood, as we were talking about earlier, disc brakes. So it checks all those little boxes of the stuff that you want to put in these Resto Mod customs, if you will. Really nice car.